Dumelang Absheni. What else? Sanbonani. Welcome back to my channel. Please guys, please, I'm begging you, please make sure you've subscribed, like and leave a comment below. No ufake heart guys, heart ukuthi siyabonga ngevlog. Ndiyanicela guys, and please share guys kuchomi zenu, families, please guys, it is a growing channel, so please my loves, I'm begging you. Ndiyanicela mandase ne, awuzudonselwa mali, baxelele ba mawusubscriber, there's no money ezophuma account yakho iziko. No, you just like following me, like go Facebook kanje, TikTok, yebo ayihlangene mali, ngiyanicela bandla. Anyways, ndithi ndizonibulisa. I'm off to Ehrenberg. Yeah, dine training there, a promo gig. Yes, intene mali guys. One thing about me, intene mali, oh guys, ndiyayithanda mna shem. Side hustle, like ndiyethanda nglamntu, even though ndihleli busy because I do not have time, but ndiyasqueeze here and there, ndiyasqueeze ndibona ukuthi ndisebenza kanjani. So I'm doing a promo gigs, yabo. Hide hustle. Yay, sikhoa. So I'm doing that. So like gig bekumele ngabe siyenze last month, but for some reasons, but we have to wait. Yangazi company njalo yadelay kanjalo. So I think 2 days back basichazele egroupini ukuthi now this coming weekend so is promoter, so we need to attend training. Good, why? Tell me why bangayenzi online, because normally bayenza online like with Zoom kanje. Why? Bafuna siyepha, like why? But anyways guys, so sizohambana sonke sinle Ehrenberg. I think I'll vlog there, then ke ndinibone ubuya kwam, but I think ndizawubuya ebusuku because I think iphela ngo-5. Yeah, ne? Iphela ngo-5. So I've been doing these things man since from last year. Uqala kwam thinking about in the promo don't. I was like, okay, let me apply. Yebo. Finally sangena ndangumakanana ndangena kodwa ngendandiyenza, I think beniyenza nina April. Yo, namana ibiza, but shem, yeah. Hey mnandi shem ne benefits because yebo into ezishikile kuthiwa izithathe zezakho, but anyways guys, ne, let me love and leave you. Yabo sizawudibana pha Ehrenberg, then yabo le vlog I know benitenza ndibona next week here guys. I think I'm enjoying this. I think so. I think I'm enjoying this. Anyways guys, let me love and leave you, ne. Yeah, sabonana na Saturday. We're still tasting the waters. So okay, yeah man, sizawudibana on Saturday. Ndinibonise how do I do my promos, what. Mhlawumbi xa uinterested, yabo, comment pha sana uplug now ungene kuma promo gigs. Like say December guys, we do need kula weekend leya uyayidinga noma itawunyana, yabo, ithi khala yabo. And usually ndenza itawu guys, don't get me wrong, that's example, but then uyayidinga, yabo, it's something ongeke uyithola uhleli nje phansi, even noma ungahlelanga phansi nje wethu. How? Okay, bye guys, let me love and leave you. Ndinithanda. See you there. watched till this far. Thank you so much for the love. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Please, I'm begging you, please subscribe to my channel and like. Yes, I'm talking to you. I'm waiting for you to like. Yes, please, just press that button. Yes. Please tell your friends to tell their friends and your colleagues, families to come and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Please, ndiyanicela, if kumele ndiguqe phansi ndizaguqa. Ndiyanicela nakombela karhopela kahlompho bathong. How. So guys, this is the end of the vlog. So ngiyayivala. See you next time, yabo. I would like to ngiqhubeke ngenza ama-vlogs amade, not 5 minutes wise, but then phone yami khala nge-storage what, so I think I have to wait till ngifumane phone yami entsha, yabo. Yes, so bye for now. See you when I see you, because kuba nzima nokuthi nje ndi-edithe. When I edit, kumele ngidelete wonke ama-apps efonini yami sale no-WhatsApp kuphela. Imagine i-life le ngifuna uyiphila, cha akuyona. And kumele ndisave, like I have to save nge-quality less so that nizongibona ngathi kuthiwe imagine njenga last video, like I was not happy because on TikTok like it's very clear, but good channel yam yo ingathi kuthiwe because of I had to ukuthi ngehlise the quality kuze saveke ngizoposta. So anyways, bekumnandi guys, bekumnandi share ndaqhwadala promoter, but bendimorok on Saturday. You know, when it's that time of the month, ingathi ungalala. So I was standing on my feet, like really. But anyways, kusebenzekile. Yeah man, I'd find some collect lapho nalapho. So guys, let me live and leave you before you end the vlog. Yeah, before you end already deciding I to say, but anyways, thank you so much for the love, support. Please keep on supporting my channel. Toodles. Next time.